Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Krishahnas. I am from BL102 class. Now I want to explain about New York City. In this lesson, I have four main ideas. The first is negotiating the purchase of the island of Manhattan. Second is cause of many language in New Amsterdam. Third is determination of the charter in the form of area. Fourth is New Amsterdam Revolution into New York, negotiating the purchase of the island Manhattan. In 1626, Peter Minuit, governor of the Dutch settlement in North America known as New Amsterdam, negotiated with Canarsie for the purchase of Manhattan Island for merchandise valued at 16 guilders or about $24.12. He purchased the island for the Dutch West India Company. Cause many language in New Amsterdam. The next year, Fort Amsterdam was built by the company at the extreme southern tip of the island. Because attempts to encourage Dutch immigration were not immediately successful, offers, generous by the standard of the era, were extended throughout Europe. Consequently, the settlement became the most heterogeneous of the North American colonies. By 1637, the fort had expanded into the village of New Amsterdam. Other small communities had grown up around it, including New Harlem and Stuyvesant-Bowery, and New Amsterdam began to prosper, developing characteristics of religion and linguistic tolerance unusual for the times. By 1643, it was reported that 18 different languages could be heard in New Amsterdam alone. Determination of the charter in the form of area. Among the multilingual settlers were a large group of English colonists from Connecticut and Massachusetts who supported the English king's claim to all of New Netherlands, set out in a charter that gave the territory to his brother James, Duke of New York. In 1644, when the English sent a formidable fleet of warships into the New Amsterdam harbor, Dutch Governor Peter Stuyvesant surrendered without resistance. New Amsterdam Revolution into New York. When the English acquired the island, the village of New Amsterdam was renamed New York in honor of the Duke. By the onset of the Revolution, New York City was already a bustling commercial center. After the war, it was selected as the first capital of the United States. Also, the government was eventually moved, first to Philadelphia and then to Washington, D.C. New York maintained its status. It became a haven for pilots who conspired with leading merchants to exchange supplies for their ships in return for a share in the plunder. As a colony, New York exchanged many agricultural products for English manufactured goods. Conclusion. In 1626, Peter Minuit, governor of New Amsterdam, negotiating to buy Manhattan Island worth tens of 6 guilders or about $24.12. Because the Dutch West India Company recruited settlers from many different countries in Europe, so many languages spoken in New Amsterdam. Among the multilingual settlers was a large group of English colonists from Connecticut and Massachusetts who supported the English king's claim to all of New Netherlands, set out in charter that gave the territory to his brother James, Duke of New York. New Amsterdam, renamed New York City, and after the war it was selected as the first capital of the United States. Okay, thanks for attention. Wassalamualaikum.